All right. So number 4 can be a little tricky just because this negative throws us off. We feel comfortable with 81 to the 3/4, just based off of what we have done earlier today. So just remember, when we have a negative exponent, we're really moving that base with its exponent to the other side of the fraction. So right now I don't see a fraction. I'm just going to put it over 1 to help me. And then I'm going to take that 81 to the 3/4 and move it into the denominator. To show it's in the denominator, I'm going to show that 1 up top. So 81 to the 3/4. Now I'm going to treat that 81 to the 3/4 just like we had before. So my radicand is my base. My denominator is my root. That's too similar. And then, why do I keep picking similar colors? Blue, green. Then my numerator is my exponent. So I'm thinking of a number times itself 4 times. 2, 3, 4 to get 81. And one thing I'm going to caution you with, once you know that the root is 4 or something larger like 3, 4, 5, we want to start with smaller numbers than you're expecting. Because if I'm going to multiply something by itself 4 times, that's going to get pretty large pretty quickly. So I'm going to start with, for example, let's pretend I wanted to do 9 because I see 81 and my brain is triggered to think 9. 9 times 9 is already 81. Times 9 again, I'm getting my calculator out for that one, is 729. Times 9 again is 6,561. So these numbers get very large very quickly. That's the whole point of an exponential function, which if you've been watching the news about COVID-19, that's what this is. So it spreads very quickly, lots of cases very quickly. So we want to start small. If I try 3, because 3 is a factor of 9, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9, 81. So 1 over 3 cubed. So then 1 over 3 cubed is really just taking 3 of them. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3, 27.